Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how you can transfer your AVX from Binance to Metamask. First log into your Binance account. Then go to Wallet and click on Overview. Click on Withdraw as you want to transfer your AVX tokens from Binance to Avalanche wallet. Select the coin which you want to withdraw. Here we will withdraw AVAX. On the right, you can see recipient's AVAX address. Here you will copy your AVX exchange wallet address. Go to your Avalanche wallet, copy the exchange address. Paste your exchange address on the recipient's AVAX address. Click on AVAX Transfer Network. Enter the number of tokens you want to send. Then click on Submit. For security verification, enter your email verification code and Google verification code. Then click on Submit. Now you can see withdrawal request submitted. Click on View Withdrawal History to check your transaction status. As you can see, the transaction is complete. Now go to your Avalanche wallet. As you can see, the tokens transferred are not showing in the exchange. Click on Refresh button beside Balance. Now the fund is successfully transferred to the exchange, as you all can see. To send your tokens to Metamask wallet, we need to transfer our tokens from exchange to C-chain. For that, go to Cross Chain. Choose the source chain as X and destination chain as C. Enter the number of tokens you wish to transfer. Click on Confirm. Now you can see the tokens got transferred to your C-chain. To send the AVX tokens to Metamask, go to Send tab. Carefully select the source of chain. We will select C-chain as we are going to transfer our tokens to Metamask. In To Address, you need to paste the address of your Metamask Avalanche network address. Copy the address from your Metamask wallet. Paste the address in your Avalanche wallet. Enter the number of AVX tokens you wish to send. A minimal amount of gas fee will be deducted for the transaction. After rechecking all the details, click on Confirm and then Send Transaction. You can see your transaction history in the Transactions tab. The tokens got successfully transferred to the Metamask wallet, as you all can see. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Avalanche. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.